Continuous recording is an essential feature for many surveillance systems. Unlike real-time monitoring, continuous recording captures everything in its field of view, 24/7. Continuous recording is ideal for scenarios where you need round-the-clock surveillance. Whether it's for compliance with legal or regulatory standards, preventing and investigating incidents, or ensuring that high-risk areas like server rooms, vaults, or asset storage areas are fully documented, continuous recording provides constant coverage. It also plays a critical role in monitoring employee interactions with clients, ensuring that any incidents, accidents, theft, or misconduct are captured for proper documentation. Setting up continuous recording in Banalytics is easy. First, make sure the Capture Video task is configured for your camera. Then, simply add the continuous recording task from the bottom right corner of the camera's task list. For detailed instructions on configuring video capturing, check out the dedicated tutorial in the description. Let's go over the configuration options available. Restart on failure. Choose how the system should respond if an error occurs. The default is a 10-second delay before automatically restarting the task. Target file storage. Select the location where your recorded footage will be stored. It's recommended to separate storage for continuous and motion-triggered videos to prevent overwriting. For detailed instructions on configuring file storage, refer to the dedicated tutorial in the description. Disable audio. If you don't need audio, you can disable it for video recording. Folder structure. Customize how the footage is stored. Bitrate. Set the bitrate of the recorded video. The GOP, group of pictures, setting defines the interval between keyframes in the video stream. Shorter GOPs provide smoother video but increase data usage, making them ideal for live streaming. Longer GOPs reduce data usage but may decrease video smoothness, making them suitable for recording or scenarios with limited bandwidth. Max recording time. This parameter defines the size of the chunks into which the footage is split. The frame rate of the capture task and recorded footage can differ. For instance, while a camera might capture video at 30 frames per second, the recorded video can be set to a lower frame rate, such as 24 frames per second. This allows for more efficient storage and bandwidth usage without sacrificing too much video quality. Once you have everything configured, Banalytics will start recording continuously. The footage is saved automatically, so you never miss a moment. Keep in mind that continuous recording generates a significant amount of footage. Splitting the files into smaller chunks makes managing the video much easier. For regular backups, smaller files make the process more efficient and less resource-intensive. They also reduce the load on the system during playback or downloads. Splitting the footage into smaller files prevents a single large file from taking up too much storage, which is especially helpful if you have storage limits or cleanup settings in place. If a large file is corrupted or damaged during recording or backup, only a small portion of the footage is lost, minimizing the impact. And that's it. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned. In the upcoming videos, we'll show you how to play back continuous recordings.